Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. Let me introduce myself. My name is Femi Febiola, and you can call me Miss Femi. I will teaching you until the end of the semester. Okay? Before we start the lesson, let's pray together. Okay, student. Today we will study about how do you spell your name, greeting and leave taking. Oke, pertama kita akan menyaksikan video yang sudah Miss siapkan. Berikut videonya.
What's your name?
I'm Scott.
I am Jose.
I'm Rebecca.
I'm Abel.
I'm Nicole. I'm Jiwang.
I'm Oshida.
I'm Michael.
How do you spell your name?
S-C-O-T-T.
J-O-S-E.
Rebecca.
A-B-E-L.
Nicole. CHIWANG.
Y-O-S-H-I-D-A.
M-I-C-H-A-E-L.
Baiklah, setelah melihat video tadi, apa sih itu self introduction? Ada yang tahu nggak? Oke, self introduction itu is simply the act of introducing yourself to someone. When we meet someone new, we introduce ourselves or ask them to introduce themselves. For example, hello, good morning, friends. My name is Femi Febiola. You can call me Vemi. Femi. I'm from Jambi. My hobby is coloring. Oke, siapa yang bisa memberikan contoh seperti yang sudah Miss berikan contoh tadi? Oke, terima kasih. For greeting, expression of greeting that is usually used to greet someone we know. Jadi untuk greeting, contoh kalimatnya adalah seperti untuk formalnya seperti hello, and responnya adalah hello juga. Kemudian untuk good morning, good afternoon, or good evening itu juga sama untuk responnya sesuai dengan apa yang diucapkan. Kemudian how are you, and the response is I'm fine, thank you, I'm good, and etc. And then nice to meet you. Untuk responnya itu seperti nice to meet you too. Okay, next. Ini contoh untuk informal greeting. Contohnya seperti what's up, and responnya itu pretty well, and hi or hey, and kita meresponnya dengan hi or hey juga. Kemudian good to see you, and the responnya juga good to see you too. Kemudian howdy untuk menanyakan kabar. Responnya itu not bad or so-so. Kemudian leave taking. Leave taking is to say goodbye to someone and depart. Contohnya seperti goodbye, and responnya juga goodbye, and see you later, and respon is see you. Kemudian juga see you next time or next week or next day, etc. And then for the response juga kayak see you next time or week or day, and good night. Responnya juga good night. Kemudian contoh pada gambar kita bisa lihat example of lift takingnya itu dia berpisah di bandara atau di stasiun dan tempat-tempat lainnya. Kemudian kita akan mengerjakan beberapa tugas seperti menjawab 3 pertanyaan. Yang pertama, what is the responses to the question how are you, and what is the responses to the sentence nice to meet you. Kemudian juga good to see you too is the response of the sentence, and then we will write and spell your name, and then introduce yourself in front of the class. And for the group test is make an example of short dialogue with your classmate. Okay, student, from the material above, is there anything you want to ask? Okay, kalau tidak ada, that's all our learning today. Who's not present today? Okay, thank you and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.